request money on PayPal. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how to request money on PayPal. To request money on PayPal, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you want to log into your PayPal account. Make sure the account is verified, and after which you have to click on the payment section and tap on request. When you click on the request button, a pop-up will appear like a list of contacts or the users to whom you want to send a request. So select the specific user or the particular person to whom you want to send a request, enter the exact amount, and at the bottom you could also add a note if you want to. And once you're done and entering the details, you click on the confirm button and send the request. As soon as you're done sending a request, the other person or the receiver is going to receive the request, and if he or she accepts it, and then you could receive a money immediately as well. So this way you'll be able to request money on PayPal. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.